Hi everyone, welcome back to the Omagimara YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a products empties video. I am going to be sharing with you guys the products that I have used up over the past couple of months, and I'm going to be telling you guys if it's worth a repurchase or not. Now, for me to finish a product, it kind of means I might repurchase it, but it also means I might be using something because I want to use it and get it away, like just finish it and just move on with my life. This time I think I have a good mix of products here. I have skincare, I got body care, I got a little bit of makeup. Don't have any makeup. 2 makeup items in here. Before we start with today's video, please do me a favor and subscribe to the Omagimara YouTube channel. I would love if you join me and my family here on the internet. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you will always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. My bag is here. Got a couple of empties. Literally going to pull out the first 2 things that come out. And these are the Beauty Formula Activated Charcoal Facial Cleanser. It's a detox cleanser. I absolutely love this cleanser. You guys know this is my favorite cleanser. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that this is my absolute favorite cleanser. Funny story. So when this cleanser finished, I posted a photo on my Insta stories, and I put up a photo tagging the brand, telling them that I had been going around looking for the product because I do not know why, but it's really hard to get this cleanser. They messaged me, they said I can shop online, and I said okay, I'll shop online. Then a week later, they showed up at my house with this cleanser and they gave me a coupon code for you guys. I just have to mention it. You guys can get 20% off Beauty Formula products here in Nigeria with my code OMAGATE20 with the %. Just check in the description box below. Definitely check out this brand. They're very, very affordable. This cleanser is less than 1,000 naira, and with my discount code, you can get a further 20% off. Plus, I think they're doing Black Friday sales. I think my coupon code goes towards that. So imagine shopping these products with a 20% sale already, and then with my 20% off the coupon. Don't say I didn't do anything for you. Don't say I didn't do anything for you guys. But anyway, if you guys want to try this cleanser, you definitely have to. It is one of the cleansers I'm definitely going to be buying again. Alright, what's next? What's inside here? This is the Nikko Sweet Almond Cleansing Balm. It is what I used to use to remove my makeup. It's absolutely gone. Now, will I be rebuying this? No. And it's not because it's not a good product. The issue I have is that this brand isn't here in Nigeria and they don't deliver to Nigeria. When they sent me this product, they had to send it to my aunt before it could get to me. I love this product. It absolutely melts my makeup and makes, like, it just cleanses my skin, and it doesn't make me break out. Some cleansing balms make me break out, but this doesn't make me break out. Sadly, I won't be able to repurchase it, or if I do, it'll take me a while, and I'm not sure if I want to go through all the hassle, but I really do like this product. Like, if you're looking for a nice cleansing balm and you don't want to try the Clinique one, because I know Clinique has a really good one, you should try this one. Let's see. Oh, okay. My bottle of coconut oil. This is a really random no brand coconut oil. Once I finished using this, I got so used to removing my makeup with oil that I went out and I bought a bottle of coconut oil. I love using coconut oil to remove my makeup, and yes, I will be rebuying another bottle of coconut oil. I think a couple of years ago, coconut oil became very well known and very famous. Like, everybody kept on talking about coconut oil and what it does for you, but this is what that is. I never used coconut oil because I was scared it would make me break out, because coconut oil is very what is that word, carcinogenic. It can literally sit inside your pores and cause you to break out. Like, there's a really higher chance of you breaking out with coconut oil, and I already have acne prone skin, so I was really scared. But I think there was a sitch. I can't remember what happened that I needed this. Like, I think I didn't have any wipes and I was out of this. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna buy some coconut. I'm gonna use my coconut oil, and it worked. As in, I'm not breaking out. It actually has helped really with the health of my skin. My skin is much suppler and much nicer nowadays. So yeah, I will be repurchasing this bottle of coconut oil. I mean, it's just coconut oil. You can get coconut oil from anywhere. Oh, we have another cleanser. This is the Murad Essential C Vitamin C Cleanser. I got this cleanser like about 2 years ago, and it's a nice cleanser. I will not lie, it's a really nice cleanser, but it's a little bit out of my budget. It's a little bit more expensive than what I like. So I would like to rebuy this, but don't have the monies. I don't have the monies, but I really do like this cleanser. Like, if you're looking for a cleanser with vitamin C, you should try this out. It also has like these little beads that dissolve, by the way, that really help to kind of exfoliate your skin. So you have the vitamin C and you have the little beads, so it kind of is like chemical and physical exfoliation, but really gentle exfoliation, so it's not like too harsh, but it's really, really nice. Now, I don't think I talk about body products a lot, like the products I use on my body, like lotion or oils or anything, but I have to talk about this shea butter cream. This is the Kaime shea butter cream. They reached out to me, they said they want to send me products, and I was like, cool. They sent me like 6 of these and a big tub of their black soap, which I love so much. Like, it's gonna come up in an Empties video soon because it's about to finish. This shea butter cream, this one, the Irresistible, is absolutely amazing. It smells so sexy. It smells so nice. I don't know what oil blend they used in this, but it's like a slightly musky oil blend, but it smells very good. Like, I love it so much. I hope I'm saying it right. Kaime. I love it so much. Like, definitely will be finding a way to repurchase this. This is a Ghanaian brand, so I don't know, but I really, really like this product. It smells amazing. Like, it smells bomb. My last skincare empty is the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, and it's very good for chemical exfoliation. It has enzymes that help to exfoliate your skin. I highly recommend that you get this if you're looking for an interesting mask. Love masks that actually do, like, you know, chemical exfoliate, or like they have acids in them. I'm a huge fan of masks with acids because it means that while it's on my face, it's not just hydrating, but it's also exfoliating. Pumpkin Enzyme Mask has vitamin C, neem seed oil, rosemary, cinnamon. It has all this good stuff, and it's really, really good for the skin. If you're interested in buying this, please look in my description box below. I have a coupon code so you can get some monies off if you want to get this. They ship to Nigeria. They are an American brand and they ship to Nigeria. So if you're interested in getting this, like, look at this. It's completely empty. Completely empty. If you're looking for a really nice mask with vitamin C, which helps to brighten and exfoliate your skin, definitely get this. I ordered a whole new set of stuff, so it's gonna be coming in really soon. I absolutely love this. Check the description box below for a coupon code so you can get some monies off if you decide to get this. The last 2 things I have are makeup, and one is a primer and one is a liner. Primer that has finished is a Zaran face primer, and I will not be repurchasing this primer. I don't have to really explain it, but like, I'm really not gonna go into it, but I have noticed that Zaran isn't a brand that really supports me at all as an influencer or a blogger. I have been promoting them and buying their stuff and just, you know, riding hard for Zaran, and then I've noticed some practices that they've taken, and I'm just like, okay, it seems you want to be that way. So yes, I do like this primer. It is a good primer for whatever, like, it's good, fills your pores, doesn't control oil though. It's a pore filling primer, so if you have large pores and you're looking to fill them in, this primer will help you. I just won't be repurchasing this primer. Last but not the least, I have the Maybelline Colossal Kajal 12 Hour Smoky Eyeliner. I really like this because it comes with a little blending knob at the end, which means it's like really good for smoky eyes. So when you line your eye, you can just like smudge it out and it blends really nicely. It lasts very long. I'm definitely gonna go back and get this liner. It is so good. Maybelline has stalls in many supermarkets around here in Lagos, and I think they do have it in Abuja as well, but if you want to order online, you should definitely check out Jumia. So that is it for today's Empties video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I love filming Empties video. Check out my description box for all the coupon codes for the products I used here. I promise this isn't a sponsored video, but it happened to be that my Empties have affiliate codes and have links. So if you're interested in buying stuff for cheap, like, I got you codes, yo. So if you want to shop, use my links. They're all in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do let me know what you think of this video by leaving me a comment below. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.